Hi, I am Vincent Marmolejo, and I'm studying chemical engineering at COM. I decided to pursue chemical engineering because I love mathematics and science. I enjoy most about the program is the teachers and the way they teach. I like how they taught me time management and work ethic, which is the most important thing in this program, in this course. What intrigues me is sometimes how hard the concept is to understand, like something simple like the forces that we go every day, like gravity, like where it comes from, or the normal forces that when we're stepping on, everything is coming back towards us. I'm looking forward to the robotics because we're going to start programming them to do simple tasks, and I've never done that before. At the end of the semester, we get to get our robots after they're completed and finished and battle against each other and to see which one is the better robot. At colleges in the mainland, you can take mechanical, or what I've chosen is chemical engineering. The instructors are great, they're very thorough, they give you specifics, they give you exactly how it's supposed to be, they explain the concepts very well, and that's what I like the most. I like to understand the foundation. Sometimes you just learn the formulas and how it goes, but you don't understand how it works. But with these teachers, they teach me how it works. Every day you have to put in work. It's not going to be easy. For chemical engineering, I'll do my first 2 years at college in the mainland, and then I'll get my credits transferred to a university of my choice, and then I get to finish those other 2 years at the university, and then I'll get to go to the workforce.